Some adventures don't start with a map, they start with a feeling, a quiet pull to somewhere new, to breathe a little deeper, and to see the world with your own eyes. For us, life has become about the simple things, the places we go, the people we love, and the memories we make along the way. So we travel in our little home on wheels whenever we can, chasing the quiet roads, wild coastlines, and those moments that remind you why it's worth stepping outside your routine. This isn't about rushing into the next destination, it's about wandering slowly, finding meaning in the in-between, and letting the journey shape us. This is Roads Beyond the Map, where every mile tells a story, and every moment matters.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel, and for those of you that are new to the channel, thank you for joining us. I know there's been a few newcomers recently, so yeah, thank you very much for joining us. Apologies for the late video this week. I know it's already 24 hours late and it's going to be a very brief video. The reason for that is our new Scottish trip, which many of you may already know. We are going on quite an expedition this time, around 2,000 mile trip, exploring Scotland. Hopefully travelling down many of the back roads, not so much frequented by the tourists. But we will also be exploring some of the main routes as well, some of the typical locations, as well as some of the little tucked away locations that we really wanted to see for ourselves. We have quite a bit of preparation to do for the van in order to help us get through this trip. Little did we know at the time though, what weather was closing in. It was unbelievable. And that certainly made a difference to the preparation that we need to do for the van. As to whether we prepped enough and whether we get by, you'll have to see in the videos. Luckily, you won't have to wait long to see though. The first video of the Scotland trip actually comes out in 2 days on Tuesday at 7 PM. So they'll be coming out every 3 days after that. It's going to be quite a series. And please feel free to comment or suggest anything on the comment section as we go. But for now, let me just show you this brief video. Thanks very much for watching. See you guys soon.
Over the past few days, we've been finishing some of the practical bits in the van, fitting the sink and hob, installing a new exhaust for the diesel heater, insulating the roof.
We got it on the wall.
Putting up the ceiling boards and sanding back the walls ready for painting. It's not finished, far from it. But it's reached a point where it's ready to be lived in, I think, tested and taken out on the road. We'll do a full detailed tour of the van and talk properly about the build, what worked and what didn't once we're back from Scotland and everything's had a real world test. Speaking of Scotland, in just 2 days' time, Tuesday the 13th of January at 7 PM, the first episode of a brand new Scotland road trip mini-series will be going live on the channel. What started as a simple plan quickly turned into something far bigger. Wild weather, unexpected moments, and some of the most dramatic landscapes we've ever experienced. Here's just a tiny glimpse of what's coming up next. We'll see you on Tuesday. Bye for now.
So we've accidentally come to the foot passenger service, which is the wrong ferry terminal.
While the weather eases off just a little bit, we're going to make a quick stop in Thurso. Supply up for the day and make sure we've got plenty of supplies for the next couple of days actually. And we'll crack on. Oh, look at that! What's that, Lola? Hey?